Hola, my name is Patti Koskova, and I'm a professor of digital health at University College London in the UK. I work extensively in Brazil. I love the country. I work in Paraíba, Pernambuco, but I visited many other states. At the moment, the world is fighting coronavirus, a highly infectious virus causing the deadly COVID-19 disease. At the beginning of June, World Health Organization is considering Latin America the epicentrum of the global pandemics. Brazil is worst hit. 600,000 people in Brazil tested positively up to now. This is only second highest number after the US in the world. And sadly, 35,000 people died. The numbers are likely to be much higher because widespread testing is not available. Epidemiological curve looks like a bell. The number of cases is rising exponentially at the beginning, then the peak is reached, and then after this, the infections start going down. We have to stop the exponential rise of cases in Brazil. We have to flatten the curve, so it will be much smaller, there will be less infections, and at the peak, the healthcare system would be able to cope. How do we do this? As you know, COVID is a very contagious airborne disease. Staying away from any other person, so-called social distancing, at least 2 meters, is a way of protecting yourself and, if you're infectious, protecting people around you. Ideally, staying at home. If you can work from home, work from home. Avoid crowded places, especially indoors. COVID also could be spread through touching a contaminated surface. Do not touch your mouth and your face, and make sure you wash your hands with alcohol hand rub or hot water and soap regularly every time when you come from outside. COVID has got two major symptoms: high temperature and a persistent cough. If you develop symptoms, stay at home, self-isolate for at least 7 days. However, many people are asymptomatic. They don't even know they have the disease because they haven't developed the symptoms. So they could go outside and they could be spreading the disease without even knowing. That's the reason why self-distancing at least 2 meters, or ideally staying at home, is the only way to protect yourself and protect others. Do not follow the president of Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro, and Casa Civil. Follow the healthcare experts and scientific advice. Stay at home, social distance at least 2 meters, and wash your hands often and thoroughly. Eu não falo português, mas posso dizer: fique em casa, distância social a 2 metros, lave as mãos e derroche a vírus. Obrigada.